Hey everyone. So I did the nails I had on and I started those 3XL square tips. The files would not open. I now have something that I could have recovered the files, but I could not. So, lesson learned. I learned from making mistakes. Won't make that one again. Bought a hard drive. That's how I started off doing it. I'm just going to keep doing it like that. Tried to use a USB. Not doing that again. So I needed to get inspired, and I'm looking back at my Pinterest board I had saved before I even started doing them myself. These are just extra long nails. So I got inspired by that, and I had to take off the index finger to get to the bottom of the nail. I couldn't get to it with the index on there, so even with moving them to the side and all that, so I just took it off. Anyway, I am drilling these down, getting the lumps out. This is the first set where I actually have holes in them, and like I said, I'm not a nail tech. I do this at home. I couldn't get my nails done back in the panorama, and I just started doing them myself. I started wearing press-ons actually, and I got tired of being around people. I enjoyed being home too much, and I didn't want to go back. So, and I kind of started asking for too much, and the prices were high, and I was paying, but it was hard to get booked. A lot of people didn't like. It was a hassle. It was just easier for me to do my own nails. It was hard to find a nail tech that knew how to do some of the 3D shapes that I liked, or took the time to even learn. And then the one that I did, she didn't have a salon. Like, I was following her and stuff, and she was trying to, like, the fumes from the acrylic, I couldn't take it, so I stopped getting my nails done from her. But yeah, I started doing it myself. Anyway, I'm just drilling here. Again, I don't try to make it perfect, because I do that with the hand file. And yes, I have holes. Like, it is, you live and you learn. I learned by making mistakes. I was kind of rushing it because it was long, and I had just finished those nails that I have on my nails now. But again, another lesson learned. It's a process. I'm getting better at it. I enjoy the end product, so it's bumpy roads. It is what it is. Now I'm hand filing to get the shape of the nails and make it more square and even, like the shape that I like, basically. The sides, the tips, and the top to make it even C curve, basically. I just check it and make sure it's even. I'm going in now with the Model 1's base coat, and I'm gonna do a thin layer before I polish. And then here's where I decided to do the hands 2 different designs. So the other hand you'll see in the next video. I am editing that right now as well. So here I believe I did 2 2 thin layers because the one layer looked like clear, basically. So the number for that GAOY polish is 1301, and that was actually one of those in that 6-pack I was talking about in one of my other videos. Yeah, I end up wanting it, and I'm probably gonna have to repurchase, whatever, another bottle. I'm trying to figure out which design I was going for on this hand, which it happens a lot. Like, I get stuck, so I pulled out a bunch of rhinestones, and I've always wanted to do, there's this design that I do like, but this is not it right here. It's a design where it's like each fingernail is a row full of different rhinestones of the same color, each nail. If I could find the picture, I'll insert it. Let me insert it right now. I pulled out my iPad and then I took a picture of the nails so then I could go into a drawing app and then draw a design over them, basically. I knew that I wanted to use these charms, so I'm showing the ideas, and then I decided to do a French tip instead of a full nail or clear nail or whatever. So I pulled out. That took like 10-15 minutes. Oh my goodness. Now I'm mixing the colors that I want because I don't really have the purple that I want, and I just want to experiment. These are the type of nails that I like, that I fell in love with nails in the first place. Starting in like 2018, I started getting my nails done extreme. When I was younger, like a teenager, I used to do it, but it wasn't like the nail salons used to say, oh no, you don't do this, or you can't do this, and I'm like, this is the way I like it. Like, they used to want flat nails. I'm really rough on my nails. I can't wear thin acrylic or thin hard gel. So it was just so many factors into why I end up it just made more sense to do them myself. It's not so much that I want to be a nail tag. It's just I like doing my own nails. I like doing my own hair. I like doing my own makeup. I like picking out my own clothes. I like designing my own house. I have fun in the creative process, period. And nails, I feel like I should show some of my old, like when I first started, it was so bad. Like, I was like, I cannot do this. I'd rather pay somebody. But I don't give up easy. So I kept going. I'm glad I did, because the ones that I've been coming up with like the last 2-3 months, like, I surprised myself. Like, my son's girlfriend came and she showed me her nails. And I was like, oh, your nails are cute. And I'm like, wait, I gave you those. It's PressOns. Like, I forgot. She still has them. She wears them over and over. There's a couple other people, but I see her often, and she's the one who wears them the most, who's the closest to me. Because most people, I actually don't tell them about this channel. I don't tell them about my nails, like, because I had so many hobbies, and it's like, I'm not trying to, like, it's starting to get like repetitive. So I keep this a secret. Only my kids and my husband really know how hard I go in nails. Everybody else just think that, like, I'm doing nails, and so, like, I don't have time for them. I don't know. I don't want to have to talk about it. It makes it not as, like, it gets taken seriously. Like, I get the support, and then it's like I want it to be fun. I don't want it to be something that I'm hounded about. So I don't know. I'm weird, guys. If you understand, let me know. Comment down below if you're weird like me. But I don't know. I enjoy being by myself. I enjoy spending time by myself. I don't want to mix customers, too many customers. Like, I pick and choose, but I definitely will give you a press on. I definitely will help you pick out your style. Or, like, I have someone where her favorite color is red, so I'll show y'all I'm gonna sell her 2 sets, so I'll show the 2 sets. Like, I don't know if I record it, cause she always gets 2, so I don't know if I should like record it or whatever. Like, I like to record mine, cause that's when I go all out. But we'll see where this YouTube take us. I have so many ideas that, like, the sky is the limit. I really don't know. Y'all let me know if you would be interested. I don't know. I like seeing people do their own. I like people testing other ones. I like people doing things that people wouldn't normally walk around with. Like, I don't know. That's what I like. I don't know if anybody else is like that. Let me know. So I was filling in with like the green and pink rhinestones. I didn't plan for those. I only really planned the big heart black and the colorful and gold rhinestones. All the other ones were like bonus. The bigger gold one, I did plan that one. So I was just thinking about where to put it all and where I might like it. And these are not my like best or my favorite, but I really love them and I really like them and I would wear them any day. Like, there are times I have made other rhinestone formations. This was just like a freehand, and I definitely will be wearing these at some point. These are, I would say, because they're not meant for everywhere or everything or everybody, and I honestly don't know how to function with nails this long. I'll be trying those stiletto ones. I love those. I could not. I had to take those things off. Like, give me short and blingy. But I love how these look. putting on Model 1's top coat, and again, my favorite part, so happy dance. This is the part that releases the dopamine for me. Like, I like the filing, it's satisfying, but I get really happy when I put the top coat after taking some hours to decorate and sculpt out these nails. Again, there are times where I don't have to file the gel. It's just lately I've had to, and that does take longer. So I get really happy when I get to the top coat part. Here's what they look like in the end, but I'm filing off the pieces that like the paint got over or the top coat went over and it affected the nail. I like a square, even shape. If you see lumps, that's usually like the rhinestone glue. But yeah, I like seeing this because when I first started, it did not look this good, and there are times when I got my nails done and it did not even look this good, and I went to a salon. So I'm very satisfied with these, and stay tuned for my next video, or watch it if you're catching this some days or weeks later. I have the other hand in that one. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at it right now and I can't believe I did it. But thank you for watching. I'm showing you guys what they look like in the sun, and the sparkle is all sun, like there's no effects, no filters. That's what they look like. Love them, love them, love them. Thank you for watching. You have a good day, night, week, weekend, whatever. Thank you.